Rescue in Manchester after a man got stuck here 60 feet up, dangling in the air. Firefighters were called to Lafayette Park on the west side of the city to get him out of this tree before he could have fallen to his death. WMUR Charisse Leclerc is live at the park tonight with more on this daring rescue. Charisse.
Well, Gene, this story, as you said, could have had a much different ending. I want to show you that tree. Take a look behind me here. It's that one back at the edge of the park. Now, just imagine you're climbing that tree, then you get stuck dangling 60 feet in the air for about 30 minutes. That's what happened to this man. And take a look at these pictures. These were captured by the Manchester Fire Department. You can see that man hanging from climbing equipment. Now, all of this was over a drone. The man had gotten it stuck in the tree about 2 weeks ago. He had tried different ways to get it down, but when all else failed, firefighters say he then borrowed a friend's climbing gear, looked up on YouTube how to climb, and set out today to get that drone down. The man's friend then called 911 when it looked like he was in a pretty dangerous position up there. Firefighters used a ladder truck to save him today.
We put the ladder truck up about 90 feet from behind the old, behind Rite Aid on McGregor Street. We were able to reach up to him, raise him up a bit to get him off his equipment, and take him down from the bucket, take him down to the ground. He was nervous. He was extremely thankful for our services.
And yes, that man did get the drone down that he set out to find earlier today. We did get the chance to speak with him just a few moments ago. He tells us when panic really set in. We'll hear more from him at 6. Live in Manchester, I'm Charisse Leclerc, WMUR News 9.
Charisse, thank you.